Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A5m, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so. This will bring down your notifications and toggles. Swipe down again, and this will extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the power saving mode, which for me is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it, it turns it on. It also changes the color of the battery right here to indicate that it is running. And there's going to be some things happening in the background that, well, obviously you're not notified about, which one of them, the most important one, will be the change in how the device operates when you're not using it, or more precisely, how it interacts with Wi-Fi and mobile data. And what I mean by that is when you don't use the device, let's just say you lock it, leave it there for a couple of minutes, it will go into, let's call it a standby mode. I don't know if that's exactly how it's called, but the idea will be basically the same. So when it's in standby mode, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data, and there are two options. Either it reconnects every so often to check if it's missing some kind of notifications from applications that require internet connection, or it will only do it when you wake it up yourself again. So if you rely on your notifications, just be very mindful of that, as these are changes that almost every power saving mode does. Now, once you're done using your power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again and tap on it once more. And obviously this turns it off and reverts all the changes. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.